My name is Logan Sillies. I'm the clinic manager here at Beyond Limits. I have a specialty in treating patients with amputations, but I see a vast array of both musculoskeletal and neuromuscular type conditions. I love my profession as a physical therapist because it really helps me interact with people one-on-one to get them where they need to be.
My name is Sami Siven. I'm a physical therapist here at Beyond Limits Rehabilitation. My primary specialties are in orthopedics and sports medicine, as well as Parkinson's rehabilitation.
The moment that the patient walks in the door, we get that first phone call when we establish that first point of contact with our patients. From that point and into the future is that relationship starting to build.
The most important thing about coming to see a physical therapist is being able to develop a relationship with that therapist.
When we have patients come here, they're entrusting us with our healthcare and with their lives, and we as therapists take that very, very seriously. We want that therapist-patient relationship to be a relationship of mutual understanding, of listening to where you're at in your recovery process, in your injury. And from there, we really develop this bond that allows us to have the successes that we see here in the clinic, which is getting our patients back to their life, to their quality of life, to their activities.
It's not about a specific technique, it's not about a specific exercise. It's about putting together the evidence that we know with the patient's preferences and what we find and come up with as the most beneficial plan of care for that patient.
And I think that really kind of separates us from other clinics because we're really able to take that time with you to learn from you and to really adapt our treatment strategies to where you need them to be.
When you're recovering from an injury, you need to know that there's someone you can go to who's gonna be a resource for you, and you're gonna be able to rely on that person as the person that you go to for information when you're concerned about something about your recovery.
We see pretty advanced complex injuries in here, and it takes a learning process for the therapist to really see where you have started in this whole process, and then when you come to see us, where you're at, and from that point we really can help you start to succeed, and we can really help you start to get back that quality of life that you either had lost or you are working to get back towards.
Patient care is about the entire healthcare team coming together and communicating effectively. We have a lot of different people with different skill sets to rely on, and we kind of can talk as a team about patients and collaborate so that we can use our different strengths to find what helps that patient the best. We have access to speech therapists, occupational therapists, physical therapists, and as physical therapists we specialize in different areas.
It takes a multidisciplinary approach to really get our patients past those limits that they have in their lives, and really that's why we started this company, and that's why we're called Beyond Limits, because we really do kind of take you past those limitations, because we are able to really kind of encompass it from a full spectrum, and that is the biggest part that we can offer here is treating holistically, treating multidisciplinary, and encompassing the full patient, not just the knee that we're working on, not just the elbow that we're working on, or the low back pain. No, we have to attack this at multiple angles in order to really get you where you need to be.
And we're nerds, and we love reading research and staying current on all the latest evidence on how to take care of people.
If you have any therapy needs at this time, please come see us over here at Beyond Limits Rehabilitation.